here is the guest house itself. Mai San Chi guest house. Check-ins from 4 till 9 at night. Anyway, I'll give you guys a bit of a tour. This is the reception. And when you come here, you gotta take off your shoes. So, shoes off. But check these out. These cool Japanese style Crocs that you slip on. Or in New Zealand we call them slippers. Anyway, here's the rubbish area. This is beautiful here. This is the basin area. And the shower with all the free goodies, shampoo, body soap, and even a scales to weigh yourself, which is handy. All right. Now, down here are rooms, other rooms. Now upstairs I'll show you my room. But first, I'll show you a couple of things. The coin laundry. So in here, you have a dryer, washing machine to do your washing, put the coins in, and you use it between 7:30 in the morning and 9 o'clock at night. And it's around 300 yen. There you go. Over here is the laundry powder. Another basin. And check this out. Watch this. Isn't that amazing? It lifts up and it does its own flush before you even get on it. And the seat's quite warm when you get on there as well. Squirts water as soon as you come in. And you've got all these electrical bits and pieces here to warm your seat. Anyway, let me show you the kitchen. Well, it's not really the kitchen, it's just the guest hangout area. So you can put your laptop over here, do all your work while looking at Mount Fuji. Today Mount Fuji is obscured because of the cloud. Or you can sit over here and watch TV. We turn on a couple of these lights. You got the fridge here in the kitchen, the oven, all the cups and utensils, kettle, microwave, and you've even got little free snacks, coffees, teas, plates, cups, eating area. And this is like the hangout area, which is pretty awesome. And then, anyway guys, this is the bedding area. You've got your own little pod, basically. My one, you can chuck your luggage in a little alcove there. There's also a little safe here that you can lock. And over here you've got power. And you've also got an area to charge your phones and stuff like that, which is real handy. And a cool little view of Mount Fuji when it's not obscured by the cloud straight out the window. So if you do come here to Mai San Chi, I recommend to come here and grab this bed. This is 201, bed 201. It's perfect because you can see right out the window at Mount Fuji. Alright guys, look how comfortable this bed is. Go to sleep now. Good night. I think one of the benefits of coming here to Mai San Chi guest house is that you can do some awesome work along this area here, enjoying some of the free tea and other snacks. Not only that, but the major benefit is you'd be able to see Mount Fuji when it's not obscured by cloud right over there. It is one of the best views for workspaces that I've ever been to. Yesterday morning I came here, done some video editing, and could just see Mount Fuji, blue sky, perfect. So if you do come to Mount Fuji, I recommend to check out Mai San Chi guest house and get bed 201 because you'll have an awesome view at Mount Fuji through the window, and it's one of the best guest houses I've actually been in, and it's only around 42 New Zealand dollars. Not sure how much that is in yen, but it is a great guest house with awesome food and an awesome host. Yesterday we got snow when I was here yesterday. The day before.
Day before, yeah.
Day before was no snow, but when I came yesterday there was snow.
Yeah, in the morning.
Mount Fuji?
Mount Fuji.
There was no snow?
Yeah.
There was no snow, and then yesterday in the morning
There was
I
snow.
wake up and then I saw the
Yeah.
snow, and then we surprised.
Yes.
Everyone surprised, and then
It was
we went
beautiful,
to town.
just for that.
Everyone took the photo.
Yeah, 6 hours.
I woke up in Tokyo and I knew I had to come here.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, so thank you, Mai.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mai San Chi Guesthouse.
Yes, my son.
So you are my, it is your guest house.
Yes.
You put it all together?
Yeah,
You build this yourself? Wow, this is amazing guest house. I hope you get more customers because you cook lovely food at breakfast and he missed it, yeah. Okay. See you next time, Mai. Okay, bye bye.